In this video, we learn app creation and component deployment. So till now, we have created a Lightning Web component Hello World. That's an empty component right now. We haven't touched anything. We just created it. And we want to create an app so that our all component that going forward we create, it comes under that app. And to place the components under the app, we need the page. So after the app creation, we'll create a page and then we'll deploy our hello world component. Once it deployed, then we'll place our component into the respective page that we created. So this is the flow that we're gonna follow in this particular video. We'll start with the app creation, then we'll create the page, then we'll deploy the component, and then we'll place the component in the respective page. So let's go to our VS Code and I'll show you how to open your Scratch again if it's not open. So there are two ways. The easiest way to click this icon, it's automatically open the your Scratch. Otherwise you can type the command, that is sftx force org open. I can zoom it for you guys. So this is the command, sftx force org open. This will open the default Scratch. So if I hit enter, it will open a new tab in the browser. So it opens the Scratch in the browser and you can see it run the command. You can see in the terminal it's completely open and this is your org URL, no software underscore Java. For me, for you it may be different. So let's go for our org and start creating an app. So to create an app, first you need to go to the quick find. By default, when the org open, you will see this page only, the home page. If you are not able to see this, go to the gear icon and click on setup. You will come to this page. And to create an app, first step is in the quick find, search for app and go to the app manager. And in the app manager on the right side top, there is a button new lightning app. So we are creating a new lightning app. We want our app name to be 0 to 0 in LWC. And if you hit outside, it will automatically refill the developer name. If you want to add the description, you can add the description. If you want to change the color of your app, by default it's a blue color. If you want to change to something green or something, you can select that and click done. If you want to add some icon to your app, you can upload an icon and place that. By default our app in the app launcher will look like this. I am happy with this and click next. What is the navigation and the form factor? So navigation style, I want to be a standard style, and the form factor is like where which device your app should be compatible. So I'm happy with the desktop and phone both. Click next. I don't want to add any utility item. Click next. And do you want any default apps to be added in your app? I don't want any, so leave it empty and click next. What all the profiles you want? We need only one profile, that is system admin. Select that profile and hit this arrow icon. So it will add it to your right hand side, that is selected profile. Click save and finish. So now your app is ready. You can go down and you can see your app name is here, and to confirm that you can go to your app launcher. You can type here 0 to hero. You can see it here, as well as if you click on view all in the better way, you can see it here. So our app is created. Now we want to create our page for the app because app is right now completely empty. It doesn't have any pages. So to create the page, lightning page, go to search lightning and go to the lightning app builder under the user interface. And here you can see there is a new button. And it will ask you what type of page you want to create: app page, home page, record page, or embedded service page. So we want the app page. Take the default and hit next. Your label name, so I'll say LWC fundamentals. I'll select next. What type of page layout you are looking for? We are looking for 3 region page layout. Based on your need, you can select any combination or you can create your own custom that we'll see in the future videos. So I'll take the default 3 region and hit finish. So now my page is ready and I'll save this. Right now let it be empty only. Now we need to activate this page, so click on the activate button. In this they will show you the app name and activate for all user, but we need to go to the lightning experience tab where we need to select this page for the particular app, and we want this page to be available in the app 0 to hero in LWC. Select the app name and say add page to the app. So now our LWC fundamentals will be available for the 0 to hero app. Hit save. And now our page is ready and it's assigned to the app. Hit save and go back, and from the app launcher search for our app name, that is 0 to hero in LWC. Open this, so it will open up our app. The page is our default page, that is LWC fundamental, and it's an empty page. So till now our app and the page is ready. Now we need to deploy our component. So let's go to our VS Code, and our component is totally brand new. We haven't put anything inside this component. So in HTML I want to write some static text because after deployment we want something to be shown on the screen. So I'll go with the basic simple HTML and I'll create a div tag and I'll say hello world. That's it. I'm not gonna write anything in the JS. And before deploying we need to do some changes into the configuration file, so this our particular component hello world is available in the app page of the Salesforce. So to do that, first thing we need to change is expose tag, which means do you want this component to expose publicly? So you need to say okay, true. I want this component to be available in the Salesforce. Then there is another tags that are targets. These tags tells what are the pages you are targeting. So there are, we already seen there are different types of pages: app page, record page, home page, or embedded services. So we have created a target page. So I'll say under the targets I want only one target right now, and the target is lightning underscore underscore app page. So our configuration is ready, our component ready for the deployment. So let's go to the command palette, or not the command palette, we'll go with the terminal, because in real time we use maximum time terminal to deploy the component. So just clear the terminal, writing the clear and hit enter, and then we're gonna write the command to deploy our components. So I'll say sfdx force source push. So this particular command deploy the whole code to a Salesforce or to our scratch.org. We can push a particular file or particular component, but for the initial time we can go with the force push, that is like complete push. And I'll show you in the future video how you can push a particular component instead of pushing the whole code again and again. So I'll hit sfdx force source push, hit enter. So remember this command because in real time projects you're gonna use this command a lot. So we have deployed our component. Let's go to our page. Let's place our component to the page. Go to the gear icon on the top, click edit page, and in the app builder you will see two types of components, standard and the custom. Under the custom you will see our component name, that is hello world. Drag this component to the canvas area, that is the main area of the page. So I want it to be in the first column of the page. So we have 3 column layout, and hit save and go back. Now you will see our component is deployed successfully and be able to see the hello world on the screen. So this is how we create an app. We create an page, we assign a page to an app, and how we deploy a normal LWC component to a Salesforce and how we place this. So this is what we have done is we're gonna use throughout the video, upcoming videos. So we're gonna place our different components under the LWC fundamental page, and in the future video we'll create some more pages. So from next video onwards we start working on the core programming fundamentals of LWC. Till now we were just learning how to create a component, how to create the pages, how to deploy a component. So now we'll write more code going forward. So I'll see you in the next video.